Right, petrol heads, gather round. Ever wondered how those thumping hearts of metal, the engines, are made? It's a fascinating journey from a simple idea to a roaring beast under the hood. It all begins with a spark, a need for speed, power, and efficiency. Car makers dream big, envisioning the perfect engine for their latest masterpiece. They want it to be powerful, but also fuel efficient and clean. It's a tall order, but that's where the magic begins. Once the initial idea takes shape, it's time to get technical. This is where the wizards of engineering, armed with their magic wands, well, keyboards and mice, work their digital sorcery. They use special software called computer-aided design, or CAD for short. CAD software allows engineers to create incredibly detailed three-dimensional models of the engine on their computers. Think of it like a digital sculpture, where every nook and cranny, every bolt and piston is meticulously crafted. This digital blueprint is the roadmap for the entire engine building process. Now, engines need to be tough cookies, able to withstand immense heat and pressure. That's why choosing the right materials is crucial. We're talking about the toughest metals on the planet. For the engine block, the heart of the beast, it's usually cast iron or aluminum. Cast iron is super strong and can handle the heat, while aluminum is lighter, improving fuel efficiency. Other parts, like valves and crankshafts, need special alloys to handle extreme conditions. With the materials chosen, it's off to the foundry. Here, molten metal is poured into special molds to create the basic shapes of engine components. Think of it like making giant metal ice cubes, but much, much hotter. The molds are made from sand or metal and are designed to create the complex shapes of engine parts, like the cylinder block and cylinder head. Once the molten metal cools down and solidifies, the rough castings are ready for the next stage. Section 5. Precision is key machining the engine block. Now, the rough castings are like rough diamonds. They need some serious polishing. This is where giant computer-controlled machines come in, using cutting tools to carve away excess material with incredible precision. Every surface, every hole, every groove is machined to exact specifications. This ensures that all the engine parts fit together perfectly and function flawlessly. It's like a giant game of metal Jenga where precision is paramount. Section 6. Crankshafts and pistons, essential engine components and their creation. The crankshaft is the engine's backbone, transforming the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational force. It's a complex piece of engineering, often forged from a single piece of steel for maximum strength. Pistons, on the other hand, are like the engine's fists, compressing the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders. They're typically made from aluminum alloys, chosen for their lightweight and heat-resistant properties. Section 7, putting it all together, the engine assembly line. With all the individual parts machined and prepped, it's time for the grand finale, the assembly line. Here, skilled technicians work their magic, fitting pistons, connecting rods, crankshafts, and countless other components with meticulous precision. It's like a well-choreographed ballet of machinery and manpower, with each step carefully orchestrated to create a perfectly functioning engine. From installing the cylinder head to connecting the timing belt, every movement is crucial. Section 8. Quality control. Ensuring a smooth-running engine. Before any engine leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance, reliability, and durability. Engines are run on test benches, simulating real-world driving conditions. Technicians monitor everything from oil pressure and temperature to exhaust emissions, making sure everything is running smoothly. Section 9, ready to roll, final packaging and delivery. Once an engine passes all the tests with flying colors, it's prepped for its new home, a shiny new car. It's carefully packaged and shipped off to car manufacturing plants around the world. And there you have it, folks, the incredible journey of how car engines are made, from a spark of an idea to a roaring masterpiece of engineering. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest for power and performance.